Have you ever bought a beautiful bulb of garlic, only to find it sprouting, turning soft, or growing mold a few weeks later? Most people don't realize they're actually causing garlic to spoil faster. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to store garlic so it stays fresh for months, reveal the biggest storage mistakes people make, and explain the food science behind why garlic spoils in the first place. Let's get into it. Let's start with a surprisingly common mistake: putting whole garlic bulbs in the refrigerator. Many people assume refrigeration makes everything last longer. But garlic is different. Cold temperatures can actually trigger changes inside the bulb. When refrigerated garlic is brought back to room temperature, it often begins sprouting more quickly. Refrigerators are also relatively humid environments. Humidity encourages mold growth and spoilage. Now let's talk about the most common mistake: storing garlic in a plastic bag. Many grocery stores sell garlic in plastic mesh bags or produce bags, and people simply bring them home and leave them there. That sounds harmless. But plastic bags traps moisture, and moisture is exactly what mold and bacteria love. When moisture becomes trapped around garlic, you create the perfect environment for spoilage. The result is mold growth and soft cloves. If your garlic is still sitting in a plastic produce bag, take it out. Your garlic will thank you. Now, let's talk about the best way to store garlic. This is your go-to method for keeping those garlic bulbs whole and fresh for months. The ideal environment for garlic is a cool, dark, dry place with plenty of ventilation. The sweet spot is around 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 15 to 18 Celsius. For most of us, a pantry, a cool cupboard away from the stove, or even a basement is the perfect location. So now, what should you keep it in? You need something that breathes. A simple paper bag with holes punched in them works wonders. A wire basket or a special ceramic garlic keeper with ventilation holes are also great choices. The whole point is to let air move freely around the bulbs, keeping them dry and dormant. It's also helpful to know what kind of garlic you're buying. You've probably seen two main types: softneck and hardneck. Softneck is what you usually find in supermarkets. It is creamy white to pale yellow in color and has flexible, papery stem and lots of smaller cloves. This one's your storage champion. Under the right conditions, softneck garlic can last for 6 to 9 months, and sometimes even longer. Hardneck garlic is mostly deep purple to marbled purple in color. It has a stiff, woody stem up the middle and fewer larger cloves with a more intense flavor. It's absolutely delicious, but it generally doesn't store as long. Think 3 to 6 months before it starts to dry out. So for maximum storage time, softneck is the way to go. Now let's talk about peeled garlic. Unlike whole garlic bulbs, peeled garlic should be stored in the refrigerator. This is because once the papery outer skin is removed, garlic loses its natural protective barrier. Think of that skin as nature's packaging. It helps protect the cloves from moisture loss, physical damage, and microorganisms that can cause spoilage. Once that protection is gone, the cloves become much more vulnerable. They can dry out faster, absorb odors from other foods, and spoil more quickly. To keep peeled garlic fresh, place the cloves in a clean, airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. Under proper refrigeration, peeled garlic will typically stay fresh for about a week or two. If you want your garlic to last for months on end, then freezing is the way to go. Freezing locks in that pungent flavor and is a total game changer for quick weeknight dinners. There are a couple of ways you can do this. The simplest is to just freeze the cloves whole. Peel your garlic cloves and spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Pop that in the freezer for an hour or so until they're solid. Once they're frozen solid, toss them into a freezer bag. Then, just grab as many as you need right from the freezer. But my personal favorite method is freezing minced garlic in oil. It's a huge time saver. Peel your garlic and throw it in a food processor. Add a neutral oil, like olive or avocado oil, at a ratio of about 2 parts oil to 1 part garlic. Pulse it into a coarse puree, and then spoon the mixture into a Ziploc bag or an ice cube tray. I use the back of a knife to make squares on the Ziploc bag so it's easy to use when frozen. Frozen garlic can remain usable for 6 months to a year. While freezing may slightly soften the texture, the flavor remains excellent for cooking. So if you only remember one thing from this video, remember this. The best place for whole garlic is somewhere cool, dry, dark, and well ventilated. Not the refrigerator, not a sealed plastic bag, and definitely not next to a hot stove. Give garlic airflow, protect it from moisture, and it can stay fresh for months. If you enjoyed this food science breakdown and want more evidence-based tips to keep your food fresher for longer, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.